What is up, guys? Nelson here with Dixieland Outdoors. We're out here freaking dove hunting. This is the video I was telling you guys about. We've already got us a little pile started up. Me and Jake are splitting a pile. The goal's 30 today for me and him. Noah's right there on that tree. And we got Nyle and Jack down there on the artificial power line. So I got the trusty old Stevens 20 gauge double barrel. So we're out here freaking rocking and rolling. We're gonna try to get some footage shooting. We got the mojo out. See if we can blow one in right here for the intro. And it landed. Imagine that, a pair landed. Anyway, guys, you can see now it's turning out to be a good day, so stay tuned, and yeah, we're gonna see if we can kill some doves today. Alrighty, guys, we got, I think me and Jake's got 14 in our pile, trying to get to that 30 mark. Noah, how many you got? 10. Noah's got 10 right now. I think Nyle and Jack have got like a total of 6. So we're just out here shooting. Noah's right over there. Get the focus to change. Noah's over there. Jake's right here, and then Nyle and Jack's down at the barn. Heather's on her way down. She's gonna film a little bit, so hopefully we can get some video of us shooting. If not, I mean, there's gonna be a little bit of clips of us shooting a little bit, and then we'll show the doves and cook them and see them. But just a little video, talk about what's coming up on the channel and all that. But other than that, guys, just stay tuned. Fall bird, fall bird, fall bird. Oh! Fall! You're toast.
You're so dead, bird. You are dead, bird.
Look, there's Nyle and them's got one. And they let it go.
Oh. I hit that one, dude. That's me and you shot the same one.
I know.
I didn't fuck.
Was you videoing?
Yeah, I'm glad y'all about killed me.
Did you see where that? It's gonna be Noah. Good shot, baby.
Oh.
That's yours. Nope. Fall. Fall. God dang.
I'm gonna have to bleep out all these bad words.
Oh my God!
It's still.
Go ahead. Shoot.
Oh God. Did you get that one out there?
Oh, it went up. Got left bird. I got left bird. Good shot. Good shot, buddy. Woo!
Right here.
Good shot, Nyle. Ah, good shot.
There you go, Noah.
Noah. He's gonna get it. Look at him. Look at him, son. Get it, Noah. Right here, Noah. Right here, Noah. You got it. Jake. Oh, did you not shoot?
You. Oh!
I got it. Oh my God! Well, guys, just finished up. We didn't get a lot of action on camera. It's hard to film the doves. Don't have a zoom lens, but anyway, we ended up killing a 7-man limit, 7 shooters. So pretty good day. Fixing to go clean them, get them cooked. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and enjoy the rest of the video. Let's go back here and see where the magic's happening, boys.
Where'd he go?
We got the squad back here getting them clean. We got this big blubber, Rocky. What y'all think, boys?
Pretty successful.
Have you really already got them almost cleaned?
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Holy
Flying
cow.
down.
Jake, what'd you think today?
It was awesome.
What do you think, Jack? First dove hunt?
Jack can't shoot crap, I know that. Nile's just an OG.
That's right, bro. You know me, bro.
They ended up shooting a whole lot more than I thought we did.
Yeah,
I know. It's pretty awesome.
My bad.
So anyway, guys, we're fixing to go get these on the grill. Heather and Nady just took off to get all the other stuff going. We're gonna have potatoes, green beans, rolls, some kind of cake. I don't know. But anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Got another video coming this week talking about upcoming deer season. It opens in a month and 9 days. So we're close. It's close. Deer season's close. Fishing's kind of dwindled. Haven't had time hardly at all to do anything. Me and Noah's coaching 11 and 12s. I'm coaching 7th and 8th grade as well. And then of course just work has been absolutely insane. But I just got to keep grinding, baby. Having a blast. Nile's playing football. Their season's already kicked off. College football's coming back. Other than that, guys, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.